In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order shoes in Temu. Start by opening the Temu website or app so you land on the home page. At the top, look for the main navigation and click on categories. This is the easiest way to see everything in one place without having to search. Take a moment to scan the options and think about the style you're after, because that will help you find the right section faster. Now browse to the shoes area. For this walkthrough, we'll use men's shoes as the example. Click men's shoes to open that collection. Inside, you can narrow it down by choosing a type like casual shoes, sandals, or boots. If you're not sure what you want yet, you can simply browse all shoes to see the full range and compare styles, prices, and ratings side by side. When a pair catches your eye, click it to open the product page. Here you'll see photos, color options, size choices, price, and delivery details. First, select the color you want. Colors can affect availability, so picking this early helps you see what sizes are in stock for that specific style. Next, choose your size. Getting the size right is important, especially with different sizing systems. If you're unsure, tap the size guide. It will show measurements and conversion charts so you can match your foot length to the correct size. Take a quick look at reviews and the product description for notes on fit. Some styles run large or small, and reviewers often point that out. Once you're confident, select your exact size. Then set the quantity if you need more than one pair. Double check the color, size, and quantity so everything is correct, and look for any notes about shipping estimates or return policies on the page. When you're ready, click Add Now to place the item in your cart. After adding, choose Go to Cart. In the cart, you'll see a summary of your selected shoes, including color, size, quantity, and the current total. This is a good place to confirm everything one last time and remove or adjust anything if needed. If you plan to continue shopping, you can come back to the cart later. Otherwise, proceed to checkout from here to finalize your order. That's it. By following these simple actions, opening categories, choosing the right shoe section, selecting color and size with the help of the size guide, setting your quantity, adding to the cart, and heading to checkout, you'll order shoes in Temu with confidence and avoid common sizing mistakes.